Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room of chemistry for second year. Today the topic of our lecture is phenol, which is taken from chemistry second year textbook, chapter 18, alcohol, phenol and ethers. Today we have our first lecture of phenol. The importance of this topic from examination point of view is that short question answer has been asked in bias exams year 2015 that why phenol is more acidic than alcohols. The learning objectives of today's lecture are that students should have a brief introduction of phenol, types, structure, physical properties and acidity of phenol. So dear students, now we have a brief introduction of phenol. Phenol is an aromatic compound in which a hydroxyl group is attached with benzene ring. The molecular formula of phenol is C6H5OH. Here you can see the structural formula of phenol where the expanded structure is given along with the 3D structure of phenol. Now we will talk about types of phenol. Phenol can be divided into monohydric, dihydric and polyhydric. If one OH group is attached to aromatic ring, then it is called monohydric phenol. If two OH groups are attached to aromatic ring, then it is called dihydric, and if more than two OH groups are attached to aromatic ring, then it is called polyhydric phenol. You can see here the examples of monohydric, dihydric and polyhydric phenols. Now we will talk about structure of phenol. Here you can see that the all carbon atoms forming aromatic ring are sp2 hybridized, while oxygen of OH is sp3 hybridized. Therefore, phenol has hexagonal planar structure with all the internal bond angles of 120 degree and delocalized pi electrons are distributed over the ring. Two other orbitals of oxygen atom are occupied by two non-bonding electron pairs. So COH bond angle is 109 degree while CO bond length is 136 picometer. Next, we have a comparison between structure of phenol and methanol. Here you can see the structure of phenol and methanol. So first of all, we will talk about the CO bond length. In case of phenol, you can see that CO bond length is 136 picometer, while CO bond length in methanol is 142 picometer. In case of phenol, the CO bond length is less than that of methanol. It is because that in case of phenol, the lone pair on oxygen atom takes part in resonance with the pi electrons of benzene ring. As a result, the CO bond gets double character, so the CO bond length decreases. On the other hand, no such type of resonance is present in methanol. Hence, phenolic CO bond is slightly less than methanolic CO bond. Next, we will talk about the COH bond angle. In case of phenol, you can see that COH bond angle is 109 degree, while in case of methanol, the COH bond angle is 108.9 degree, which is slightly less than tetrahedral angle. The reason is that in alcohol molecule, both carbon and oxygen are sp3 hybridized. Among the four sp3 orbitals of oxygen atom, two orbitals overlap with one s orbital of hydrogen and sp3 orbital of carbon atom respectively. As a result, OH and OC sigma bond are formed. The remaining two sp3 orbitals contain one lone pair of electrons. According to whisper theory, lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair repulsion. Hence, COH bond angle slightly decreases from pure tetrahedral angle. Then we have physical properties of phenol. Phenols are colorless liquids or white crystalline solids at room temperature and pressure. They have characteristic odor. The vapors of phenol are highly toxic. The liquid phenol containing 5% of water is known as carbolic acid. It is used as disinfectant and germicide. Boiling points. The boiling points of phenols are slightly higher than the aliphatic alcohols of comparable molecular mass. It is due to the presence of stronger hydrogen bonding in phenols than in alcohols. Here you can see hydrogen bonding among the phenol molecules. Solubility. Phenols are more soluble in water than alcohols of comparable molecular mass due to stronger hydrogen bonding. Acidity of phenol. Phenols are acidic in nature. The pKa value of phenol is 9.98, almost close to 10. The acidic nature of phenol can be attributed to the formation of stable phenoxide ion after loss of proton. The phenoxide ion thus formed is resonance stabilized, as one of the lone pair of electrons on the oxygen atom is delocalized into the benzene ring. Now we have comparison of acidity of alcohols and phenol. Phenols having pKa value 10 are much more acidic than alcohols with pKa value of 16 due to the resonance stabilization of the phenoxide ion. Here you can see the formation of alkoxide ion and phenoxide ion. The phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized, so it is more stable than alkoxide ion because the negative charge is not confined to the oxygen atom but delocalized into the benzene ring. So due to the acidic nature, phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide to form salt. Here there is an assignment for you in the form of MCQ and short question answer. You can check out your understanding by trying to answer this assignment. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Take care and thank you.